Working, guys. We're on upper lower sideband. We went to channel 6. We got the speaker hooked up to this thing right now. That's what you're hearing. Speaker is actually ear is speaker. No, speaker is actually the speaker right here in the side. Ear is actually the headphone jack. We got the headphone jack on the Wilson speakers right now. The antenna we're hooking today is a Mako V5000. This is the SDR I got the other day. Paid $60 on AliExpress. We're checking other channels right now. We're on the Mako V5000. It can turn up really loud if you want. This thing will blast very hard when I go on these channels. We're checking other channels right now. This is a Spanish station. Let's check what he's doing. We hear somebody bleeding out. Cool. Listen to that quality. We're on the Mako V5000 barefoot. It's connected to the top of that thing right now, guys. You can't see it. She's beautiful. And how you tell the S meter? We're going to look at that in a second. This is how you tell the S meter. You get this on the internet to find out how many pounds hitting. We're looking at right now minus 107 between 90. He's got to be hitting S7. I'm looking at it right now. He's bouncing between 94 DVDs.
Y como no ha ido, pues no sé ni qué echó y pues no me da ni por ir ni nada. Digo que no. Si no ya haya ido.
The only way you can tell it on this chart here, you can look at right here. He's in an S60 right now. I'm looking at it on the chart right now. He's in around S60. Minus 60 DMB. I trust that thing on the indicator. He's in the 60 zone. Minus 60. I'm going to take a look on that chart. Minus 60 dBs. Could be S7 units.
Ah, qué bárbaro. Ya puse mi voz control porque creo que ya tengo pusita, no te creas. No, se te cortaba un poquito, no sé si tengas el voz control. No, bien gozada, Pancho. De esa forma no, de por allá, pero bien. Ah, bárbaro, ya me hiciste recordar.
Wish we could make the bars so large on this thing. If we could do that, it'd be great. So he's on the green thing you trust. I can't trust this thing, but it gives you an idea. You see that little indicator right here, the green things? When you see it up there, S60. Looking at S10, yeah, there's someone on there. They're hitting about if it's minus 63, they're hitting between S10 and S9 right now. About S10. So this is an example. You guys can see it right here. See? That's how you guys do it. This we can get this up really close. I'm gonna get it really close on this so you guys can see it. There we go. I'll tune this down where you guys can see it. There we go. Now we got something clear. Cool. And the time's actually current. That's it's a military time. This is cool, guys. We are zooming from on that tripod, guys. We could do live streams like this all the time. This is cool. Yeah, we're picking up Mexico, guys. Could be Puerto Rico.
Tremendo Juan Alberto. Está bien. Andaba hace rato, no es cierto.
Looking cool on channel 48805 upper sideband.
Pero no
We're zooming up on this camera, guys. Cool. We could do this on OBS software too. We could actually run the microphone to it. This thing's amazing. Come on, this is really good, but this is how you get an idea. Look at the green indicators on the top. That's how you can see the S units. You can't trust that little power thing on the side. But they're hitting almost around S9. If it's in the 60 zone, it's going to be around S10, S9. We're guessing around that meter. You can see that little chart up there. That's how you guys will know what they're talking. They're hitting at least S minus 60 DMM. So we're looking on that chart right there on the green thing. That's giving you an indicator. Between S9 and S10 right now. He's getting pretty good quality, or S6, 7, either way. Looking at S7 units between S8, I'm guessing. You look at the green bars on the top. That's how you can tell the power meter. It's DEM. Just like the other one. Then in between S10 or S7. We're going to check the other channels. Getting other channels right now. We're going to check them out. There was someone on 425 way out there condition. We're getting Mexico. This is on the Mako 5000. Looking at some work on the water alls. There we go. 38. Lead overs. Yeah. I'm going to look over here in a second, guys. Yeah, bad conditions tonight, guys. Yeah, that's what it'll do on the memory thing. From channel memory channel 24 down to 1, it's all the basic stuff they put in that one. If you try to save something, it'll save on a different memory stick. So from channel 24 is on the upper channels way past the last frequency, you get 27765. After that, it's channel 1 on the C radio going up to channel 24. I put it on AM. You guys saw that earlier today. So we're going back up here. Sounds like AM dudes. I'll take a look at its upper sideband. We're on channel 29. Yeah, it's way out there, guys. Conditions not all that great tonight. It's horrible. We went to channel 30. We probably could turn this up and hear them. It's pretty dead tonight, guys. I'll go to the speaker and turn it up to... That's the loudest, go up to 35. Good. It's off frequency. We're gonna go check this out. I'm looking over there right now. Pretty bad. It's like channel 39's going. I'm gonna go over here a second. Turn this down a little bit. I saw we were over that channel. Oh, there's 425 right there. Oh, there's something over that channel. 455. Check Jamaica channels. I see some. It's bleeding over here, guys. Oh. 550. They're bleeding off here, guys. There we go. We're really close on. There we go. It's like 504. We're getting closer. Come on, keep talking. Sometimes you can click on that. It's really easy. Come on, keep talking. I want to hear you. Sounds like sideband. These is all frequency. Gotta be somewhere close to there. Wow, could be 527, 500. I'm gonna go look over there. I'm gonna get down there really close to 500. Keep talking. I think they're bleeding on the frequency. There we go. We're close. Dang. They're about 3 cycles off, but they're bleeding so bad, but we're trying it out. Keep talking, guys. Want to hear you. 440 is looking good down there. I want to go over there in a second. Those guys are bleeding. I don't think we can't hear them. .502, yeah, they're talking. I'm gonna go over to another channels in a minute. We're close. We're not going to waste time on that. It's over near 700, guys. You see that? 715. Could be around 720. You guys don't want on channel 1, baby. Mexicanos. Cool. Yeah, someone's playing bad stuff. That's channel 11. 125. That's channel 12. Checking channel. That's channel 23, guys. That's it. Back on sideband. There's something over here. This channel we can see, and it's on channel 700. I'm gonna go look over there in a second. It looks like there's something on channel 700. There we go. Keep talking. 7:15. It's about 8 o'clock right now. We'll probably have to do our dog soon. Keep talking. Look at that. It's all bleeding on the channel. You can see him. Finishes and all. Yeah, Spanish station. Cool. See, they're on upper sideband. Sometimes they'll be on sideband. Let's check. Something's very bleeding over there. I'm going to go over and look over in a second. It's going to be close to 69. We're going to get closer, guys. We're getting close to 700. There they are. Oh, we're right on frequency. Keep talking. Come on. We want to hear you. We're trying to. It's on channel 702. 27.702. They're off frequency. Someone's banging on the meters. You can see it on the Maker 5000. I hope you guys are watching in the video. Very close. He just was gone. There it goes. There's something going on over there, guys. You see that thing moving? This thing can see all that stuff. It's cool. And this thing's got good battery life. They're off frequency at 705. Look at that thing. They're probably out of South America. What channel is that channel, guys? Man. We're getting some South American stations in Puerto Rico. Let me see what that is. The 700 channels. Definitely they're banging on the meters at night, guys. We're going to look at 27-700s. It could be Mexico, guys. It is bleeding so bad. They don't have good radios around here. There we go. The voice is saying they're speaking in Spanish, guys. Let YouTube pick it up and see what we're talking about in Spanish. So 705 on the channel system. There's no 7R on this system. Yeah, there's a 7R. There's one that channels up to channel 765, yeah. Yeah, this channel does exist, guys. It's one of the free band channels we're here on 705. 27-705, we got our frequency, lower sideband. Look at that crazy stuff going on, guys. And you don't want to press this on accident to save the channel. Yeah, a lot of bad static, guys. Very bad channel on that one. We can see everything on this frequency. That's on upper side. We talked to that one a while ago. We heard it. Nobody on 38, 37 right now. What's going on in your bands, guys? Are you guys getting conditions? We usually hear these guys go, oh, look at that. Usually we plug this in our radio to see what it sounds like, but we'll have to check later on. But we don't hear anybody on channel 38 right now, 37 on the web SDR. We should be able to hear these guys in Arizona on that system. What channel is that? There's some pretty example on channel 34. Let me get down here and look around. Let's go look at that on AM in a second. I'm going to go look over in a second. There we go. We can hear them on channel 30 way out there, guys. Yeah. There we go, hitting like S2. 305 on channel AM, guys. We're getting some AM out of Mexico, Puerto Rico. Need to hook this to a stereo, it'll be fine. Using a mobile, guys. Look at that channel going on channel between 40 and 38. I'm looking it over there. It's between 39. Cool. We're on Mako 5000. I'm going to go over here in a second. I saw something over here between 40 between 38. A lot of big bleed overs. We don't hear anybody on this channel today. It's looking good, guys. We're testing this out. We're picking up Spanish stations about 1,500 miles away, maybe 3,000 miles. We don't see anybody on channel 30. This is how we look down here where it's at here. That's how you know what's going on. Someone's on channel 35 tonight. Yeah, it looks like 30. It's 33. There we go. Let's go look on AM. This is not all that great today, guys. That is channel 335. There we go. You're getting on AM, guys. Cool. Hope we get 38 sideband tonight. These are little waves that you can tell what's talking. And we don't hear anybody tonight, guys. It's bad conditions. We're getting Mexico pretty good. Channel 34, guys. We're on 34 on AM. Here we go. Sounds like a helicopter, guys. Nothing on this channel tonight. It's high difference. It's very bad. Yeah. EX is pretty bad tonight, guys. This thing's a really good device. When you guys can try tests on this, let me know it works. I had to program this today myself to save it by manual. There we go. We're Mexican stations on channel 1. Super Bowl is not even active tonight. It's hard doing so. He's way out there, guys. We'll have to look at these reflect powers and stuff. We need to adjust these things to do it later on. They will pick them up really high. He's way out there. He's in solid 2 right now, guys. Yeah, here's someone way out in the distance. Yeah, he's way out there. Channel 17. Yeah, not conditions good, but Super Bowl. These are the loud stations, get them. Now, two editions tonight on 38, 37. Catch you guys later. 362 Knoxville, Tennessee. Get on down. We're picking up guys on 26 for a while. We want to make it 5,000. We got to run all the way up. We can hit way out in the distance. They can be 60 miles away or 80 miles away. I don't think I've heard those guys out there. So it's almost running out this device, but we'll have to try and let's see those two conditions get better. We'll have to check both ways, see if we're going to go on the radio or the SDR. Yeah, we're getting way in the distance. We got to run all the way up on the speaker. That happens when the air conditioner puts on and does that. It'll click like that. Not good for air conditions, guys. If you have an AC that kicks on, like the window, it'll do that to make that noise. But that's the only downside it does. So I'll catch you guys later. We'll hear some stations way out there. I'm going to check stations in a second. We're having fun with this little toy. We'll hear some guys on 26 way out there. I was talking. Look, guys, we get WDB. Awesome. On my Mako 5000, guys, we can hear it in Colorado. I couldn't have done that before, guys. So it's doing it. Cool. We're picking up that thing. I know we'll pick up automatic time, but we're picking up WBBB at this hour. Awesome, guys. That's 2 meters. I don't know what that channel is. 6 meters. 20 meters. Sounds like beepers. Man, that's loud. Colorado's picking up, guys. That's WBB and that part of Colorado, Fort Collins. So it's working WB tonight. That's awesome. This thing's picking almost all the way that far away, about 2,000 miles, 1,500 miles, over in the Colorado Rockies. You can see 2 frequencies on it. So that's WB's working at this hour. I was surprised they couldn't have done that before. It's actually the clock that makes that sound. That is awesome. We're picking up WB. See? Man, I wish we could pick it up louder. But we're picking it up pretty good. Is that AM? We're on AM frequency. Pretty cool, guys. I'm very happy about that. I just pick it up a lot of times when I did it in Utah, but dang. It's pretty cool, guys. We can pick it up. I'm gonna check this channel in a second. No conditions on sideband tonight. There's a band up here, guys. Look at that. Bad static up here. So it picks up WB in Colorado. That's a good test on this system. See, that's how you can tell it's working. So that's channel 23. Nobody's on this channel tonight, guys. Pretty dead on the bands. Usually hear channel 6 this hour. Yep. Someone's bleeding. I hear him. There it goes. 26 is going good, guys. There's our little wave bands on channel 18. Someone's transmitting down there on channel 18, it looks like. We can hear the Smoky Mountain skip chasers way in the distance. Some could be 80 miles away, some could be 60. They're hitting like on minus 80. Minus 80 EV, not even touching 2 pounds. Rooster hits solid 7 my quad 5. When it gets up like minus 60, between minus 7, we'll be around that area. So there's some bands that really active tonight. So it's picking up WBB tonight. Pretty cool, guys. Checking channel 24. Let's go back. I go pretty fast with this, that's why I set this up. I'm going to go look around on channel 18. I think it's around channel 165, very close. Yeah. That's channel 19. Nothing on 18. Not much tonight, guys. But usually we'll hear these guys from No Problem 17. We heard some stations earlier today. I think channel 12 is in this area. That's channel 11. That's channel 12. None of my guys are not on tonight. But at least it's working good. That's a static spread coming on. See? Someone's on that channel down there on channel 6. 2764 down there. Looks like a station going on down there. You can see everything on the waterfall. It's pretty cool. So we usually get 26 one time. I think the radios will sound better, but this is an idea. So we're picking up stations that far away. And they don't come out really late at night. That's channel 24. Okay, we're going to talk on it for a minute before you guys get out of here. We might have to turn this down a little bit. I'll do a channel 19 test on the old school walkie-talkie I have here. I'm going to give it 185. And I'm going to try to turn this sucker down because it's going to blow out the speakers. So we'll see if we can do it. And I know 390's on the live stream tonight, so I'm probably going to go see him soon after I get done with the other dog. 2 other dogs I do. Audio testing 1, 2, 3. Yeah, if you could take the AGC out, it'll make it sound better. Audio testing 1, 2, 3. Audio. Just want to wave to you guys out there. 362, Knoxville, Tennessee, getting on down. Let me get that on in a second. There's too much static in here. I want to do this in a second. And if you're close, this is how you got to do this. There it goes. This is how you turn it off, and it cuts the noise out. Watch what happens. 362, Knoxville, Tennessee, getting on down. Just want to let you guys know we did a great day on this. Our SW meters are down at 30 pounds. You guys see it down between where the little green thing up there. You guys are waving on back. We're hitting about at least S50, minus 50. That's usually 30 pounds. So the Mako V5000 sounded good. Alright, I'm going to let you guys know. 362, Knoxville, Tennessee, getting on down. You guys have a great night. UDX 362, Knoxville, Tennessee, getting on down, 410. So when you turn the AGC off, that's what you do when you sound very close when you talk on the radio. And you got to get away from the antenna, not to blow out the speakers. So this is how you can test out your radio completely good. We're on the Lafayette, it's called Dynacom 3B. That's what this radio is. So you guys will see this. You can't see it. So I just want to let you guys know. Have a great night. Go check me out. Check out 390 on Wagmaster on YouTube right now if it's a live stream. Give him a home out there. He's part of the United Delta. He's part of the United Delta X-Ray C Radio Club. Just want to let you guys know. We have a great night. Catch you guys later. 362, Knoxville, Tennessee, getting on down. I had to point my antennas up. That's what it is. So you guys can hear me. You guys have a good night. 362, Knoxville, Tennessee, getting on down. We'll catch you later from UDX 362. Go check out 390 Wagmaster on YouTube. And go check out Old Radio Night 21 Down on Siege, Charleston, South Carolina. Dirty Diaper. And go check out the Old Tube Radio Network on Saturday nights, 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. I know Easter is coming up this weekend, so you guys have a great Easter weekend. Happy Easter to all you guys out there this weekend. If we don't get this here, you guys on the radio. I know conditions are very bad today. We'll have to check the radio, see what sounds on this and the SWR, because it could be two differences, guys, so you guys know that. We were channel 6, we were Puerto Rico today, and Mexico. I tried this on the beam antenna when I hooked up one of the connections down below, which you guys know I have that two-way connector that goes to the system, and the one that goes into Madison goes into the box, and runs into the tuner. No, it runs into in the box and goes into the tuner. Well, there it is. You guys seen it? We got that, and there's a two-way separate cord that goes on that thing, the RG59 on that one, and it connects with the RG58 and all that stuff. You guys know that. So yeah, I tried that. I heard guys in Mexico today on the beam antenna at 310 degrees on this SWR. So we got to try some more of that stuff. So I just want to let you guys know I'm pointing my antenna up in the air, so that's the only way you can hear me. 362, Knoxville, Tennessee, getting on down. You guys have a great day. We'll catch you later off the key. And UGX 362 over Tennessee in the zone, over Knoxville, Tennessee, getting on down. And we'll do some more tests of this SDR, see how it works. I was surprised it picked up the Colorado station. That's amazing. So that's awesome. I never picked up WB here before here. I actually have picked up my shortwave radio a while back. I've done it. But not on the Mako 5000. I've never done that before. So I'm pretty amazed that it did shortwave radio tonight. That's awesome. So it does good on shortwave radio. So it should be able to pick up shortwave radio with that Mako V5000. No problem with it. So I'm surprised it did that. That's awesome. So you guys have a great night. 362 Knoxville, Tennessee. Maybe we'll get some better speakers for this, but we're running the Wilson speaker on the audio jack. So that's the only way. If you have a stereo system, that's the only way this thing how it works good. But we'll try some more tests on this thing soon. You guys have a great day. 362 Knoxville, Tennessee. Get on down from UGX 362, the Foxman over in Tennessee. We just got this device today, and I'll put all the links down below where you can get one of these and how to do a tutorial video, how they show how to do it. And I'm going to show you all this stuff and where you get the pound meter stuff. Have a good day. 362 Knoxville, Tennessee. 73, we'll catch you later off the key. And we're out here, 73, we are 10-7. We're out here. We'll catch you later. Oh, yeah. So, I'll show you guys in a second. We're actually, we're going to turn the AGC on. That's like the RF thing that turns on the thing system. And you can hear everything on the static. It goes fast. And it goes medium, but it goes slow. I like the slow mode, but fast goes really fast. Pretty cool. Let's try the middle section and see what happens. You're testing 1, 2, 3. So that's what it does. So we got a good pound meter on that system. Let's try it again. You're testing 1, 2, 3. 362 Knoxville, Tennessee. Get on down. We got the AGC on slow. It's like an RF switch. Look at that meter, the way it pumps on that meter. It's just that walkie-talkie I'm talking on from the old school. 362 Knoxville, Tennessee. Get on down. You have to point the antenna right toward it to get it going. So I just want to let you guys know. Just want to wave it on back. 362 Knoxville, Tennessee. Get on down. We'll catch you later. So it's pretty good, guys. So I'm going to get on out here. We're going to try some more tests. What's up, 38 and 37 came back? I don't know if it's been active in Tennessee today. Let me know if it was working. We might have to try the two differences. We might have to take unhook this and put it back in the Mako V5 in the quad 5 and see if that works. Maybe that's what it is. I think the conditions are bad. We don't hear anybody. That's what it is. So we're gonna check this every way. I'm gonna check everything. I think nobody's out here at this active hour, but it's pretty cool. And it's got speakers on the front if you want to check it. It's got two things, an audio jack and a speaker you can do. And it comes with two adapters. We've got the DC connector that came with this here. This is my old one I used on my SDR a while back on the PC. You guys seen that? And it comes with a style pin and a connector. It looks like an RG type connector from like a satellite cable connects to it. It'll do that. And the DC connector goes to this. And it comes with this little small antenna, and it screws into it. You can hook it up with alligator clips to a fence if you want to do some more shortwave scans or CV scans. It'll do that. This would be a great fox hunting device if you guys want to do one of these. But the only way to track the estimator is right here on the side here. That'll give you an idea. Don't trust out there. We got someone on channel 705. We got someone out there tonight. I'm gonna go check out the sidewalk. Sounds like someone way out there, guys. Could be backscatter still. Yeah, I'm gonna check the channels before we get out of here. It'll probably be the same thing right now. We hear someone at 37, guys. Way out there. Conditions are very bad tonight. Very awful. Probably on the beam until we'll hear him better. I'm going to go over here a second. Like that. Then I'm going to go to AG so we can try to get a better AG sound. We don't hear anybody out there tonight. But it's something out in the distance. Second. Try to get out of the upper side window. No way on 37. Yep, pretty bad conditions tonight. So you guys have a good night. 362 Knoxville, Tennessee, get on down. We'll catch you later off the key. So we'll do some more tests on this thing. Maybe conditions are bad in Tennessee tonight. I don't know. Maybe on the quad 5 be a little bit better. But this just give you guys a good example of what this thing is. It's pretty cool. Shoot, it's falling down. Let me go back up. There it goes. You guys can see it. There we go. There you guys go. 362 Knoxville, Tennessee, get on down. So you guys can see what we're looking at. I don't know if we got the whole thing. So there's our time. And yeah, I had to adjust this in a second ago, but it's not that hard. Pretty cool. So this is our web SDR. And you guys will see in the quick zoom. We're going to zoom it out. And that's what it looks like. So we got a perfect zoom that far. Let me tell you, that's only about 3 feet away. And then we have to tune this down to get the adjustment down. You guys can see it like that. And that's how you guys have to do something like that when you zoom it out. But this would be perfect for OBS if you guys want to do something like this. It's pretty good. And we got it down. We got to turn that down and move it all the way up to very high. And there's our seed radius stuff. And the time is like 9:23, 9:28 in the evening. So you guys see the current time. It's showing 9:30 on the clock. So yeah, it's actually 9:30 on it. So that Colorado station picked that up. So that's where we pick up the time. 21:0. That's actually 9:30, but it's showing it's 9:28. 9:28 here. It's only about a minute off. So I had to adjust it. That's the time on my computer when it is. So maybe we'll change that time a little later, get it to work. 362 Knoxville, Tennessee, get on down. We'll catch you later. It's 9:28 in the evening, almost 9:29. We'll catch you later. It's showing 9:30 here, so it's only 2 minutes off. It's pretty cool, guys. We'll catch you later. 362 Knoxville, Tennessee, get on down.